So what is my thought process when I start a new project? Well, I have to have a clear plan in my head of what I want to achieve. And then I have to think about how I'm going to achieve it. So what are the reagents I need? What do I have to do in terms of the actual experiment? How do I carry that out? So I have a plan in my head and also on paper, which I follow. And it's like following a recipe for cooking or baking or so on. So it's a step-by-step process. However, I also have the overall result in mind. I'm hoping that I'm getting a very nice result from this in terms of looking at some very nice fluorescent images of cells that will allow me to tell me more about the activity, for example, of the drugs that I test on the cells. And this is really exciting because this is something that you cannot predict fully.
What is your thought process when starting a new project? Firstly, I consider what it is that I want to find out from this project. What can I potentially learn and how will I guide that learning? I need to have a good, strong context. What are the outcomes? Is it a body of artwork? Is it a response to a place? An institution? Who am I working with? Is this a collaboration? And am I being asked a question or am I asking myself a question? In this case, I feel I'm asking the question, how can art cultivate further understanding of science and still be an artwork in and of itself? I've learned as I've progressed through my career that I must be as prepared as possible, not so that I predict the answers or the results, more that I have all the equipment and space and material at hand, so that a whole range of possibilities are still open to me. And so in this case, I decided that I would arrange my own art laboratory and have all my tools and materials set out with a solid starting point organised.